Hi all, good morning. Am I audible?
Good morning, Shreya.
Yeah,
Yes,
sorry
Shreya.
guys, yesterday I was not feeling well, I couldn't connect. But don't worry, tomorrow let's connect, okay? And we'll complete this topic. So, any questions so far? Like, did you try anything and you have any questions? Okay, I'll give you a requirement now. You think and let me know which method we can implement it here. Okay, let's say, let me open incident form. I'll give you a solution that is not at all a problem here. Mm, let's say if the state is resolved, okay, it will ask for resolution code and notes, which is mandatory. Apart from that, I want to gray out all the fields on the form. So is there a proper method for it?
Can you repeat again, Shreya?
Yeah, the state is set to resolved. Okay. While resolving, definitely this resolution code and notes is mandatory. We are filling this and we are submitting the form. But my client requirement is to make the all the fields read only.
We go to client scripts.
Hmm. Just give me a minute. Yeah. Okay. I'll go to client scripts and from here. Hmm. So I'll help you wait. Let's go with new. So firstly, you have to give a name for your client script. Let's say state is resolved. Set fields to grid only. State is resolved. There is a limit. State is 6. Fields to read only. So that will make you understand why you are writing this. Can we achieve this by onload?
Yes, Shreya.
Yes. Yes, that's good. So we will be using some method here. I'll be helping you out, don't worry. Currency state. I'll just keep my variable name like this. Firstly, what is the value of state we have to know, right? So we'll get the value of that particular field. Uh, if the state is resolved, it has to give you 6. And see, even for closed, you want to make it. Okay, I'm just giving one more option. So let's take like this. This are the actual requirements which we create in the real time. Guys. Most of the projects will ask for this. Okay. Okay. If in C state equal to state result. That means if state is 6, like this I'm giving. Is it clear now?
Yes, true.
Where
Yes, right.
field. Okay. Reform dot set value. Okay, I want to edit. I want to set the fields, right? So we have a get edit. Firstly, we have to get the editable fields. Okay, for field equals to G form dot get editable fields. So I'm just trying to execute it with for loop. So I have created a one more variable called fields, and I'm trying to get all the editable fields. If I equal to 0, I is less than field length I plus plus. Okay. So you can also go and search this YouTube JavaScript tutorials for basics. These are all basics. Okay. Now I want to validate. If field less than or equal to only, let's say I have taken a scenario like this. Only the state field I want to make it editable to reopen the case, but no other field. That's the reason I'm explicitly mentioning this line, not not state. That means please ignore state field, making it read only. That is what we are doing it from this particular line. Okay. I'll give a comments here allowing state field to be editable. New form got set read only. I want to make all the fields read only. So fields And say one more is missing. Equal to is this value I have given state closed. If editable fields, all fields I want to pre out now. For where I equal to 0, noise less than field outline. Comma. Let's check the parenthesis actually here. Line to line, I will cross check. The function onload, I have created a variable incident and trying to understand what is the state that user has set on the form, and created another variable called state resolve where I have given the value as 6. 6 is for resolved, 7 is for closed. Okay. Like state is resolved, state is closed, right? Here I'm trying to check if incident state is resolved. I have created a field called variables and trying to get all the editable fields. This particular method will get all the editable fields on the form. And with for loop, I'm making a validation here. Okay. Again, only for state field, I want to make it editable, because if someone has to reopen it from the resolved state, they can reopen the case, but that is not allowed in close. So that's the reason I haven't given the same. So let's check. Okay, this is the parenthesis. Okay, okay. Okay, fine. But still the fields are editable. How? We are working on instant only, right? Okay, that was to work, right? But most of them are editable again. That means our script is not been executed. You can also cross check that by giving an alerts. Why it is showing fields? I have declared fields already. Get editable fields. Fields dot length. I'm sorry. Fields dot length. This is a mistake. Yeah. It is all. Mhm. Get editable fields. Has to work. Even the alerts are not been triggered. We'll keep one more alert. Wait, I'll just write it more simple and not complicated. I'll deactivate it. Write a very simple script. It is 6 of Okay, I have created a variable called state1 and it will try to give the value of state1 equal to 46 or state1 state equal to 7. And interval fields. Okay, let's check if this is working. We'll try to edit that again. Okay, why the fields are not editable? 6 only. State is this only. Can someone try it on your PDI? I think there is some issue on this PDI. Otherwise, see, the logic what I have written has to work. See, see, for this it is working again. Let's take status 8. Save it. Hmm. Anyone's instance is up? Okay. Let me try it again. Yeah. Can I get your password too? You can reset it, okay? I'm surprised why it is not working as per requirement. See, firstly, where there is no color field, I think you missed out adding color field. See, most of the fields are editable here, even on the related list, resolution and all, it is editable. Now let's write a script. And okay, it has me for the, what they say, resolution code and notes, right? Yes, that is also achieved from client scripts only, guys. Let's run this. Editable. Lens spelling is correct only, right?
Yeah, correct.
Okay. I have to double check because what so far of my remembrance is this. And, Where this method in Wiki, I got this from Make Old Fields, read only on class. Yes. As I told you, this only will be used. See, get editable fields. Yeah, editable. Double, double. For closed, all the fields are grayed out. That is fine. See, everything is grayed out. It is working for closed. Let's deactivate my script and test it for closed. See, as of now, some of them are editable still when the state is closed. But when I run my example, all of them are non-editable. If you get it, see, I have deactivated it. Let's just take 7 and 8. What is 8 here? And also I'll double confirm if the value that I'm giving is correct. My script is executing. I can also set some alerts. Save it. All the time configure table field here so you will understand the choices from which table. Okay, we want of incident, so I'll just do incident directly. Okay, for resolved it is 6, for closed it is 7, for cancel it is 8. Okay, I gave here 7, 8. Save it. Unfortunately, it killed our time. Yes, see. All of them read only now. It is working. If you want, I'll deactivate this again. See, I have given state as 7 and wait. Might be for resolve there is any ongoing script on PDI, I guess. So, see, I'll transfer. Now I'm canceling it. That means the value is 8. Here I have clearly said the value is 8 and I'm not making this active. I just want to double check how it is functioning normally. See, these fields are editable. Guys, you're getting it. I'm able to edit resolve by change request, parent instance and all. But when I just activate my script and run it, all of them are grayed out. There is no field that is editable actually. Okay, now refresh it. We need not to do anything. All of them are read only. You're getting it? Hello.
Yes, Shreya.
Let's check for 7 also, which is closed. Only for 6, I think there is some other script that is run closed. Even when you're closing, it has to ask for resolution code and notes. My script is active here. That means all of them has to be grayed out. Yes, see? At first state, it is not getting executed. See, again, this is working fine. Scripts. Let me see, is there anything that is already running on instantly there? It is something else. The one which I have wrote now. I'll debug, guys. I don't want to kill your time for this. For cancelled, it is also working fine. So you can try it for these two methods. Why it is not working as per our expectation when state is resolved, I'll do some research and I'll let you know. Okay. But see, it is working. And I'll just deactivate it. So this is also something real-time scenario which I'm going to discuss. Let's say we have an incident list, right? Let's say we will be talking about on cell edit client script. This is applied only on the cell edits. That means on the list. Let's say no end user allowed to modify state value from closed on any list view. As we are on an instant list view, it should not allow any user to modify the state. Okay, value from closed. That means from closed here I'm able to edit it. I'll say I make it in progress. I'm able to do this, but I want to restrict this. Okay. From what all states like new, in progress, on hold, resolved, and cancelled, from all the states, it should not allow the user, and we should also show a pop-up saying that you are not allowed to do this. Let's open client scripts. On from list also you can open. Edit. Okay. On what field you have to select. See, cell edit also have sys stable, old value, new value, and a callback function. So we'll be using callback function. Sys is nothing but the sys table that we are working on. Old value is nothing but what is your previous value. New value is what is your current value, and callback function is already been used. So where 7 rows they have already given. So I'm just using the same if old value. I want to alert and user and users are not allowed to modify this job. That will be an alert. Save and close. Else save it. So on list view, let's say it is from in progress. See the following non-mandatory fields. The end users are not allowed to modify the state. Again, this works for other fields because I didn't write any exception on other fields. Only for closed field too. If they are trying to modify to in progress, on hold, resolved, or cancel, it allows you. See, end users are not allowed to modify that, and it doesn't go to the uh, selections that we are making. See, I'm just trying to do it new. It is not allowed. Save it. Duplicate this. First, suppose from new to closed, I don't want to do. Then I can simply change the value here. New value 7. Okay. And we'll add a different alert here. So I'm not allowed. See. It doesn't allow me. From close to new, it doesn't allow me. Might be, yes, I have edited it, right? This also will be modified. Okay, I'll create one more, no problem. The same logic, but I just taken the old value, new value. And shall edit. Cell. Incident table. All, and this is on cell edit of state again. All values equal to 46. 7. That means from 7 it cannot be changed. So alert not allowed to perform this action. 7 close false. That means 7 close of button, like action we are setting it to false. Yes. 7 close to true. That means if they are not doing any of this, it has to allow. Save. Now it will work for both the scenarios. If user is trying from close to new in progress node, it doesn't allow. From new to close also, it doesn't allow from the list view. See, it is closed. Save close false. Save close true. Call back. Is anything missing? Yeah. See, end users are not allowed to perform this action. And from new to close, let's say, it will give you some other error. So I want to close it to 7. See, it doesn't allow. You got it? So here what I have done, taken new value as 7. New value means existing could be anything. Even if you try for in progress, it doesn't allow you. From any value to 7 value, it doesn't work. See, we are on in progress. And 7 is for closed. See, it doesn't. Even on hold case also. What is other scenario? Old value. That means old value is 7. From that, it doesn't allow you to modify the state. Guys, you got both the logics or you want me to explain this? Hello? Hello?
Yes, Shreya.
Is it fine? I'll give you this script, don't worry. Okay,
Okay.
one last scenario we'll see. As at least 4 I want to cover in a day. See, from list also you can create a from any state to state, if you don't want to state value change, it should not allow from any state to any state, then you can go with on-cell edit. State alert values cannot be modified from list view. This is the alert I'm giving. 7 post records. Save it. Do your instant list. It could be anything from cancel to new. See, values cannot be modified from list view. From new to in progress. See, now I again from close to something else also, it doesn't allow. Close to resolved. See, end users are not allowed to perform this action. And from new to closed also, all the three are executing. See, from new to cancel or anything if I want to do. For closed, I have written. But for cancel, so again from cancel to in progress also it doesn't. Because I'm making it on every field now. What is this? State. I haven't defined any field here. That means it applies to the entire state. Even for category, if you want to do, see, I'll deactivate for a minute. Save it. Go to list. I'm able to edit the category field. My script is not executed. I'm able to add anything. And I'm able to move it to software. Okay. Okay, this is possible, but now I'll activate my script. Refresh it. I'll modify it, try to modify it to hardware. See, it doesn't allow. You got it now? So with practice, you can actually understand the concepts more. So please practice those. And sorry, I'll debug the issue for a resolve field and I'll let you know tomorrow at 9. Let's connect. Okay. Thank you all.